Hey everyone, this video is about SQS and SNS. So let's see what is SQS and SNS, guys. So this both are a communication channel, guys. Communication channel. SQS means simple queue service, and SNS means simple notification service. Okay. Let's see. There are two types of communication. One is synchronous communication, and the another is async communication. Okay. Synchronized communication means the source and the destination should be active. Okay, destination should be active, but in the asynchronous communication, source can be active, but destination need not to be active, guys. So here in SQS and SNS, they will be using async communication. Okay, so let's see with an example. First is SQS. SQS is like one to one communication, one to one communication. Okay, here you can see like one sender will be there and the notification will be put into a queue and one receiver will be there. Okay, and this will be configured with the letter queue. Now I'll explain you. If any request or trigger notifications come sent to the SQS, then it will be moved to the queue, and this queue will send the notification to the receiver. If the queue from the notification from the queue is not receiving the receiver, then it will move to the letter queue, guys. Letter queue means DLQ means letter queue. Okay, letter queue, which we can say like undeliverable messages. If the messages which are in the queue which is not deliverable to the receiver, then it will be moved to the dead letter queue, guys. There will be a retention period for these messages. Okay, what are the messages which are in the queue? There will be having a retention period. Within this retention period, if it is not moving to the receiver, sending to the receiver, then it will be moving to the DLQ, guys. The what is in my queue is a temporary location or buffer location. Okay, which is going to have this messages for some period of time based on the retention period. Okay, so this is what dead letter queue. There are different number of queues are there. I will explain you one by one. First one is local queue. Local queue. Okay, local queue is just an inbox mails, guy. Inbox mails. We can see that in our email will be having that inbox mail, right? So that is the card. That's the local queue. Second is remote queue. This is sent mails in our email. Okay. And the next is alias queue, which is like a duplicate messages, guys. So these are all the queues that we have. In this one, we will be the SQS will be having dead letter queue, which is an undeliverable messages. Okay. Then the next one is SNS. SNS is a simple notification service. So how this work means, it's like a one to many communication. Here the sender will be one, which is like we will say as publisher will be one, and it will be sent to different subscribers. It's just like a pub sub model. Okay, I'll give you an example right now. Here, if you are opening, like you can consider as a bank account. Okay, head of bank is RBI. You will be having different banks. The RBI will be managing the different banks like KVB, Canara, SBI. If you are going to open an account in Canara, then this Canara Bank will send a notification to this RBI, which is a one-to-one communication, so which is SQS, and this is an SQS example. And if any of the server is down, consider if KVB is down, then it has to send the notification to the all the users who are having the account in KVB, right? Having the account. So which is like this is a KVB is a one which has to send a message to different users, which is like one to many. So here they will be using the SNS configuration, guys, which is like one topic. Here in SNS we'll be saying that was one topic to multiple subscriptions. Okay, this is like how this SNS will work, and this is how the SQS will work, guys. So thanks for watching this video.